Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make and form pizza dough, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Getting started. Step 2. Make a well in the center of the dough. Step 3. Knead the dough. Step 4. Cover the dough in plastic wrap. Step 5. Check to see if the dough is done. Step 6. Divide the dough. Step 7. Shape the dough. Step 8. Top the pizza and bake.
Take our lead.
Pizza ingredients. Fresh dough, unbleached enriched wheat flour, water, sugar, soybean oil *, salt, yeast. Cheese. Part skim mozzarella cheese, pasteurized milk, cultures, salt, enzymes, modified food starch, sugarcane fiber, whey protein concentrate, sodium citrate. Pizza sauce. Thin crust. Gluten-free dough.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You only need 1 standard packet of yeast, 2 1/4 teaspoon, to get the job done. Water. I tested this pizza dough recipe with different amounts of water. 1 1/3 cups is the perfect amount. Use warm water to cut down on rise time, about 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The best oven temperature for pizza is between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 to 260 degrees Celsius. How to cook pizza on a stone. Place a pizza stone on a lower oven rack. Preheat the oven between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 to 260 degrees Celsius. The stone needs heat up while the oven heats.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.